Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add font awesome icon in WordPress pages and posts. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write font awesome. So this is plugin font awesome. By font awesome we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see font awesome. So click on it. Now scroll down you see setting here version older version compatibility. Now go to pages and refresh the page. Now scroll down you see add font awesome. So click on it. Now you see icon and solid regular and brand. Now scroll down you see icons here. If you want you can search also like car. Now you see car icon here. So click on it. So this is shortcode. So you can use this shortcode anywhere you want in WordPress website. You can use this shortcode in widget also. And if you want, you can change icon color and font size. Now hairstyle and then color red and then font size 50px. Now this is format. Now click on update. Now page update done. Open page. And here you see car icon with 50px font size and color red. Now here you see this is format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.